Here is how to create a quote in Xero. With Xero already open and your account loaded, begin at the top of the screen and click the plus icon labeled Create New. This opens the menu for new records and transactions. From that menu, choose Quote to open the new quote page. On the quote form, go to the Contact field and select the customer you want to prepare the quote for. Make sure you choose the correct contact before entering the rest of the details, since the quote will be linked to that customer record. Next, set the issue date and the expiration date. The issue date shows when the quote is created, and the expiration date shows how long the quoted pricing and terms will remain valid. Enter the dates that match the timing you want to use for this quote. After that, review the quote number that Xero assigns. If your workflow requires it, enter a reference as well. This can help connect the quote to a job, project, request, or internal note, depending on how you organize your records. Move down to the item section to build the actual quote. Enter the item if you use item codes in Xero, then add the description for the product or service. Fill in the quantity and price, then select the correct account and tax rate. These fields determine how the quote is presented and how it aligns with your accounting setup. So review each one as you enter it. If the quote includes more than one product or service, click Add Row to insert another line. Then complete the same fields for each additional row, including the item details, quantity, price, account, and tax rate. Continue adding rows until every part of the quote is included. Once the line items are in place, go to the Terms section. Enter any additional information you want the customer to see there. This could include timing, conditions, or other notes that belong with the quote. Before saving or sending anything, review the full quote carefully. Check the customer, dates, quote number, reference, line items, terms, subtotal, and total. Make sure the quantities, prices, account selections, and tax rates are all correct. This is the point to catch anything that needs adjusting before the quote is finalized. When everything looks correct, choose the next action based on what you want to do. Click Save if you want to keep the quote in Xero without sending it yet. Click Send if you are ready to send the quote to the customer now. Thanks for watching. Your quote is now created in Xero and either saved or sent to the customer.